Hey everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can catch the Runic sea crustacean in Fish It. The Runic sea crustacean is a stunning mythic catch that is located inside the ancient ruin. And here I'm going to show you the secret spots and also the bait recipe to get this mythic tire fish. So I got the big one in here, the big mutations, and let's see in here. So to go inside the ancient ruin, you need to go to the ancient jungle, head inside the sacred temple, and go down to the ancient ruin. And in here, for the locations, I'm going to show you some my favorite spots here. The first one, you can fish in this location in front of this rock right here, and the second location is located on the other side in front of this roots. Okay, so this is the second spot, and in here I'm using the element road and also the singularity bait to catch the mythic runic sea crustacean. So try your luck to catch this mythic fish. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on thanks.